What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Honda CRF 150RB that we just finished building. Believe it or not. Did the first ride video, kind of attempted to, I guess. And guess what? It didn't work out really good. Took it to my friend's land. He has a lot of property. And so we tried to do it, and super low compression now, and yep, let's just say it like this. We were going up a hill climb. It was close to rev limiter. I was working the clutch, get up the hill, and the clutch goes out completely. So there goes the clutch, and then once the clutch went out, I knew something was wrong. Thought maybe we're a little low on case oil or something. I opened up the little thingamajigger right here, and it was smoking out the engine. So, yep, the 150R is toast. So I guess in this video, we're just gonna see what's up with the clutch, see why that went out, and see if we can get it to work, because there's still a little bit of compression, so the top end isn't gone, but on a race bike, I don't think you should be able to kick it over with your hands, so. Yep, there goes the 2020 150R build. Mint. Alright, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take off the oil cap. And this, for 150Rs, this side oil drain bolt is for that side of the engine, because it has two spots where you put oil in. Let's check out the oil while it's dripping. Wow. It's good oil, and then it has black in it, so that might be the clutch. It got black super quickly. But let me see if I can show you this. But like, see, there's some spots where it's clear and then it's black. So, I mean, good thing I changed the oil. The guy before me did not. But yeah, let's let her drain, and yeah. All right, while this oil's draining, I still got this CRF 150R, 2007, pretty good condition and all, that needs a top end, but I just got offered a KX85 2015. Here's a 2011 KX100, which is a little bit bigger, but 85, same size as this one. I don't know what it needs, might need a top end or something, but 2 strokes. I don't know if you know much about them, but it's just the cylinder and then the cap. On a 4-stroke, let me go right here, show you what a 4-stroke's like. You got the cylinder, then you got the cylinder head, and then you got the cam holder, and then here would be your timing sprocket, and you have a lot more in a 4-stroke. So 2-stroke would be a lot easier to rebuild. And if you'd like to trade, I would be happy to trade, because I personally wouldn't mind a 2015 KX85. So let's get this oil out of here and open up these side covers. I don't think I'll take out the engine yet. Oh. The bike almost fell. Alright, let's turn this thing on. Let's throw her up on the stand, I guess. Take off the Kickstarter. Just easy. There we go. All right, let's set that right there. This brake can go down. Now what we're gonna want to do is just take off all the bolts in a crisscross pattern. So just alrighty guys, so it's like the next day. I never finished up that. I actually have to put the cover back on because I realized that if I take it off, all the radiator fluids and everything's just gonna go straight into the engine and stuff, and I'd have to drain all the radiators first. So I just decided that forget that, and I'm just gonna leave this on. What I'm gonna try to do, which is a lot easier, I'm gonna fill it up with oil but have the drain bolt open. That way I can just drain out the whole engine, or that side of the engine, and hopefully get all the other garbage out of there, and then fill it up to factory specs. And that way it should be a lot better, because I think I had the wrong oil in there causing the engine to slip, and it was smoking inside. I'm probably still gonna have to get a new clutch though. And yeah, let's hope it's good. It's getting a little bit better compression. I don't know if it's kind of weird. Sometimes it'll have low compression, sometimes it'll have high. But yeah, let's get this oil out of here. What the heck? Alrighty guys, so we currently have some people just chilling in our yard. I think it's a trail. What are you doing? I'm gonna have to go talk to them. Well, yikes, we got rid of that problem. Had to kick her out. She was trying to look for turtle habitat. Something, I don't even know what she was looking for. And then telling me how she really likes the KX and how I need to make more space on the seat so she can ride with me. I'm 16 and she's 40, so, you know. Yeah, that's kind of weird, but besides the fact, basically, we ran like a lot of, probably about a couple liters of oil through it. Just let it drip through down. And so now what we need to do is take off here, which is the oil measuring bolt for the 150R, and then fill it up until it starts dripping out of there. And once it starts dripping out of there, you know that you've got enough oil in it, and then we'll start her up and see if she still runs. Hopefully that's the case, and yeah, let's go. So for 150Rs, you're just gonna do it until it starts dripping out of there. So I'll let that drip out for a little bit, and then after that, we'll just let it sit down and I'll start her up. Alrighty guys, so we just changed the oil out, all that good stuff. Yeah, let's see, let's hope the bike isn't blown up, because that would be pretty bad. But yeah, let's see if we can at least get it started up. And let's hope the clutch is nice and smooth, because I'll tell you one thing, it was pretty bad. Alright, so turn the gas on, turn on the choke. Oh man, she is dirty. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty good. At least she's not blown up. Alright, so at least she's not blown up and the clutch feels like it's a little bit better. But yeah, I'm probably still gonna have to change the clutch inside, because whenever I opened it up, it looked like it was bone dry and it was smoking out of the engine, so I thought that it was blown up for sure. But yeah, let's see. I think that'll be the rest or the end of this video. We still gotta fix our back brakes here, because those decided to go completely out. I don't know where I think the leak is somewhere right here, so we're gonna have to figure that out somehow. But yeah, a little update for the garage. As you can see, no more 150R. We sold it yesterday for 700 bucks. Too bad we couldn't build it, but I guess I sold it for good. At least I made some money on it, and I still have the PW80. So I got the PW80 for free and extra money. So here's the KX100. Here's the CRF 230. We still got those bikes and the 150R out there. But yep, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and peace.